beautiful chummies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here and you join our little family. Anyways, also please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Guys, I am so exhausted. I'm so exhausted today. I woke up tired really, but because of you guys, I was able to achieve my goal. So I really wanted to wash my laundry because I've had it for 2 weeks and that was not cute. And yeah, I didn't want it to be the third week I wash it, then next week yo, because Nyazi guys like I was washing his handler. So yeah. Anyways, I was exhausted, njengoba ngisho mangivuka, but I remembered, I was like, you know what? I cannot be exhausted because I have a family and they are my motivation to wake up and do this laundry. So I'm gonna film. Then yeah. So because of you guys, we were able to achieve that goal. Because if being a film, I feel like I was gonna procrastinate again and say no, I'll do it Tuesday or Monday or during the week. So because of Nina guys, and I remember that last week I didn't give you anything and I'm sorry for that. So yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm doing this laundry, I am switching on that camera, I'm filming, and yeah, my family will motivate me. So yeah, we are almost done. I am hungry, angakadli, and also I haven't cleaned. So I understand Amar. And I think right now it's Kati is 2. Yeah, last time I checked it was 22. So ngiyacabanga manje ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami manje. But nonetheless, the goal was achieved. That was very important. Like the goal is achieved. So ezinye nezinye sizozibona after. Anyways, yeah, I love you loads and I hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up and also please comment. And yeah, that's about it. Let's carry on. Siqedelele.
Tell me, do you see her? She's living her life. Even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you knew it, she lives her life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just want the fame, I know what she thinks. Give it little taste, running back to me. Put it in the place, bring it so to keep. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky, flashing lights. So she never wants it. Baby, never needs silly money like.
Guys, tell me why did it have to start to rain? Ew. Ew, Hashem. Look at this, guys. Ngihlise yonke into. Ew. Can you see it? Ew. Yeah. What a mess. Can you see a mess? Oh, and also, I know you guys are gonna say, why are you washing your zandla or else there's a washing machine? The washing machine doesn't work, so yeah, fill it up. Yeah. It is a Friday and got disturbed by the alarm because this is my time to wake up actually. But today I woke up a bit early because I have somewhere to be. I want to go to Pick and Pay before I go to my actual destination, which we will be talking about on the vlog before this or the other vlog. I'm not sure, but yeah, I just want to quickly take a shower so that we can head to Pick and Pay, come back and prepare for the next destination. So yeah, I think this will be okay. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Guys, we are done and I'm about to head out. I'm waiting for my bolt, and yeah, it's on the way. So anyways, I can't show you my OOTD unfortunately because we are running late and I still have other things to do, so I have to like rush there, then come back here, prepare for my next destination. So yeah.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall when I'm thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far? I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so When I'm like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house, I could sell you an idol. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you.
Are you
Gotta
taking
fight
content?
shit. I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you.
Thank you so
I've
much.
been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you?
Is a lot. It is. Please, thank you. Yeah, subscriber man.
So you get money, you make money.
Not yet. I'm a small, yeah, Sophie Clean. The number, mobile monetizer.
Now,
Yo, 100. I started it last year.
last year when?
Pinele. Kids a vlog.
Yeah, in Masechaba. Ish. When I meet you.
Hi. It a hi.
I never. You
It a hi.
Oh, you did that say oh Shankel.
Show me the hi.
Masechaba.
Show me the hi to my vlog. Show me the hi to my vlog.
Delete that thing that you're making there.
Show me the hi to my vlog. I want.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feel is killing me. Body you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be absolutely mad, but I go up the streets just searching for my wings. If you know where I'll find it, I could take a limousine just for all burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning.
crazy, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a
Hi my beautiful chummies, it is a Sunday today and this is the end of the vlog. I just wanted to say thank you so much guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for always watching my vlogs and also for commenting. I love you so much guys. After this vlog, after this clip, please watch the next clip because you guys finally get to know where I've been, what has been happening, why wasn't I editing and vlogging. So yeah, please do watch and I hope you didn't forget to subscribe, like, share. Please also do comment. I love you so much. Bye chummies.
Said you got a boyfriend. Fuck that gotta do with me. I know you wanna come slide through. We finna fucking and smoke on these trees. When he not there, baby, I'm the one that's keeping you company.